I really tried to keep track, and I have spent 45 days over the past 2 months working on this van. And now I'm getting ready to move in and go on my first trip. It feels like everything just came together in the past 2 weeks, but I just looked at pictures from the van build, and it's crazy how much has changed. Just left the car dealership. It's officially my van. I thought the last week would fit into one video, but it just doesn't. There's too much that happened. So here is part 1 of the last week of the van build. Welcome to the very last van build vlog. I know last week I said I hoped it was the last one, but I didn't make it nearly as far as I expected. But this really is the last one because I have a deadline. So I have already started working on the plumbing. I'm gonna get that wrapped up, get the faucet in, start attaching the cabinet to the wall, get the backsplash up, and put the bed in. It will eventually get up, but it takes up so much space, it's easier to do everything without it here. That's why I've been putting it off. I have everything ready to go. It should be super easy, just like every other step. Maybe this one really will be easy. Here is where we are at on the to-do list. I have added far more things than I've crossed off, but it doesn't matter because every one of them is getting done over the next 2 days. But for now, it's time to get back to plumbing and get this wrapped up. If you're looking for the full details on my plumbing, fresh and gray water system, I did a separate video that is going to be linked in the description. For now, I'm going to show you how I'm wrapping all this up and getting the faucet in. I have everything where I want it and the hoses fished through, so what I'm going to do is screw this down first, and then I'm going to hook up the faucet. I'm gonna get water and then we're gonna test it out. Now that I have it hooked up and it's working, I need to do some optimizing with the hoses. The one in the blue jug curls, so I'm going to put this as my water suction and then hose clamp it to the top. This one for the water supply is just too long and in the way. I'm going to cut those down and make this space more useful, and then it'll be done. Yes. Shortening those hoses made a big difference. Now it's all clean and ready. I should be able to store other stuff there, which will save a lot of space. Now I just need to finish everything else in the kitchen. Backsplash is in. I cut my drawer down so I could use this space in front of the sink. I don't think I could have gotten any closer. Really more proud of that drawer than anything else. I have a goal of being able to have water access on the back side of the cabinets, so I'm going to make a slide out door. The first piece of that is going to be to add these sheets of shiplap. We finished the plumbing, we finished the backsplash, we've secured the cabinets, and I am about to build the bed. So I'm going to end the day finally putting that up. I'm going to end the day getting this nailed down. I will catch you guys tomorrow where we will finish the list. I'll see you then. Welcome back. After yesterday, I'm feeling so optimistic about how much we're going to get done today. There's 3 things that are going to happen over and over today: measure, cut, and paint. So I need to fill in this space down here. That space under the bed is going to open up to the van. The back is going to open up to the doors. So I need to block that off. I'm also going to make a board to cover here and a board to go up here to connect the backsplash to the ceiling. After that, I have to trim all of it out, make sure it's all painted. I am very excited to get started, and hopefully we have as much progress as yesterday. This is what the van looks like right now. Brought out all of my spare pieces of wood sheeting. This should be enough to get the project done. It's also all that I have, so hopefully we don't have any mistakes that we need to recut for. It is a beautiful day. I'm painting them after this, so I'll paint outside and they'll dry super fast. Been putting this one off for 2 reasons. First, I don't want to do it wrong, and second, so I don't hit my leg on it every time I walk through, but it's time. I'm gonna need to sweep a little, but it looks pretty good. I love the black, silver, and navy. So far it is working great. Don't judge me for this. I just needed to see what it looks like. That is it for tonight. I have all of the boards painted to go under the bed and backsplash. All the pieces I measured this morning are now painted and ready to go up tomorrow. But that is it for today. Tomorrow I'm gonna put those pieces up and all the trim pieces. I had to go sideways. I did add one thing to the list. I need to do some touch-up painting, so that is now officially added to the list. Hopefully nothing else goes sideways on the list. Everything else should be able to get off the list tomorrow. I'll see you then. Sorry about that. I think it should have went back here. Oh well, what's another one?